Hello children, welcome back to your online class of English. Today we will begin a new topic in English grammar, that is articles. An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. There are two kinds of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. The indefinite article tells us that the noun is not specific. E and N are the indefinite articles. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. When a noun starts with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, we use the article N. And in case of consonants sounds, we use the article A. These are the indefinite articles. For example, we use article N with the noun which starts with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. An apple, an umbrella, and so on. But with some words which sound like a consonant, that is U, we use article A. For example, a university, a unicorn, etc. And with some words which begin with consonant but sound as vowels, we use an. For example, an honest man. Here H is silent and we produce honest man, that is there is the sound of vowel, so we use an. We use A and N with the singular nouns, but they are not specific. For example, a car, a boy, a girl, a room, a table, etc. Now the definite article. We use article the before a noun when the noun is specific. We use the article the with any noun that represents one particular subject. We use the article the for the same word if it is repeated in a sentence. We use articles the in case of historical monuments, newspapers, epics, families, trains, seas, for some higher posts, etc. For example, the Red Fort, the Hindustan Times, the Bible, the Shatabdi Express, the Arabian Sea, the principal, the Prime Minister, etc. Okay students, now let's revise what we have learned. A and N are used when we talk about a single person, animal, thing, and so on. A or N is used when we talk about anything for the first time in a sentence, and we use the for the same word if it is repeated. For example, Beena bought a new dress yesterday. The dress is very pretty. Here we use the with the dress because it's used second time in the sentence. A is used before a word that starts with a consonant sound. For example, Ravi has a pet dog. A is also used before a vowel if it starts with the sound of a consonant. For example, Alex is a European. N is used before a consonant if it starts with a vowel. We use article the before a noun when the noun is specific. We use the article the with any noun that represents one particular subject. For example, the sun is bright today. Here we use the with sun because there is only one sun. Okay students, hope you have understood the articles. Now if you are having any problem, you are free to ask.